Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that right now. Thank you. My last update about This Is Faith was how Shelin got caught by Pame, that is Chachi, while Shelin was trying to put poison in Mahesh drip. And later, Prita was shocked to see Kritika taking some jewelry in a hurry and going out of the house. And if you are yet to watch that, please, it will be in the description box below and it will be up in the card. And I also gave mini update about why I was away for 1 week in that video, so please watch it before you watch this one. Let's continue from there. Kritika was in the car going to the hotel to meet Akshay with the jewelry, and she remembered Akshay warning her to meet him at the hotel at exactly 6 in the evening, and she asked the driver to hurry up. And Prita was also following Kritika in another car, wondering where Kritika is going, but she determined that wherever Kritika is going to, she knows that there is a trouble. Mahira was also following Prita in another car, wondering where she is going to because she would do anything to ruin her date with Karan, and she recalls that she challenged Prita that she would ruin her relationship with Karan in just 3 days, so she would live up to her challenge. Prita stops seeing Kritika's car, who is at the same restaurant where Karan asked Prita to come for their date, and Kritika was asked by the guard to go to the backside, which is for the hotel reservations, and Prita also followed Kritika to the hotel backyard without saying Kritika, and Mahira was confused, wondering where Prita is going to, but she however thinks that there is nothing to worry about because she would now use the opportunity to spend some time with Karan in Prita's absence. Akshay at the hotel opens his room door and Prithvi was standing at the door, and he immediately comes in with a briefcase in which Akshay was really happy to see the money, and Akshay asks Prithvi to hand him the briefcase, and Akshay immediately starts counting the money that Prithvi brought for him. Prithvi asks Akshay to stop the counting and call Kritika and start scaring her to the extent that Kritika will start trembling and come running to him seeking for his help, and Prithvi makes Akshay remember the deal that they agreed on, and Akshay must scare Kritika so that she can come running to him. Karan was waiting in the restaurant for Prita to arrive, and Mahira comes there and greets Karan, asking him what he is doing in the restaurant, as if she doesn't know that Karan and Prita had a date at the restaurant at that moment. And Mahira said that Karan must not think that she is following him because she only came to meet her friend at the same restaurant, but her friend is not still here. Mahira asks Karan not to worry and wait for Prita while she will also wait for her friend, and she ordered coffee after sitting at the other table. But later, Mahira comes to sit with Karan, explaining that she was getting uncomfortable because other people were staring at her even when Karan doesn't think that she is pretty, and Karan, without any choice, praised Mahira that she is actually looking beautiful. Kritika was about to enter the hotel, but she is accidentally stopped by Prita, who asks her what is happening. Kritika gets really worried seeing Prita, and Prita constantly questions Kritika to tell her what is wrong because she saw her rushing out of the house but did not understand the reason, and that was why she decided to follow her to the hotel. Kritika doesn't want to tell Prita anything, but Prita demands that Kritika should tell her what is going on with her because she is a well-wisher and a friend. But Kritika was, however, still perplexed, and she was not even able to say anything in front of Prita. And Prita pulls Kritika into the car where Prithvi was also walking around the car because his car was parked close to Kritika's car, but they couldn't see each other. Prita sat with Kritika in the car which was parked in front of Prithvi's car, and Prithvi also sat in his car, and he saw missed calls from Shelin, and he wonders how he could have not attended to the calls, and he calls her back, and Shelin immediately asks if their plan has been accomplished. Prithvi responds that their work is done, and then he realized that his car is stuck between 2 other cars, and this angers Prithvi because he cannot find a way to drive out of the parking lot. Prita in the car with Kritika tries to reason with Kritika, asking her to inform her what the problem is, as she considers her as her sister just like Shriti, and she is really worried for her well-being, and she wants to know what exactly is going on with her. Preeta questions Kritika, who started crying, and she apologized to Preeta for not believing her when she told her that Akshay is not the right person for her, and now Akshay is blackmailing her with some photos and videos which he has when they were together. Preeta consoles Kritika, who was crying, and Preeta asks Kritika not to worry because she knows how to handle those kind of people like Akshay, and Kritika must not worry because they both would find a way out of this mess. Prithvi gets really frustrated, saying that he would no longer wait for the driver to move their car, and Prithvi was constantly hawking at the car to move away, not knowing that Preeta and Kritika were the ones in the car, and Prithvi told Sherlyn over the phone that he cannot wait any longer and he would go and talk with the drivers in the car parked in front of his car to move away. Prithvi was about to open the door, but the guard stops him, mentioning that the car is parked in the right spot, and if Prithvi doesn't stop hawking, then his boss would scold him, and Prithvi orders the guard to go and talk with the driver in the car to move away, and the guard went to Preeta, requesting Preeta to move her car away, but Preeta explains that she is parked in the right spot, so she would not move. Prithvi feels irritated that the driver of the car doesn't want to move away, and Prithvi tries to move his car forcefully, but he's crashed Preeta's car in the process, and Preeta gets really mad and she was about to get out of her car to meet the driver that crashed her car, but Kritika stopped her, saying that they need to concentrate on their plan of getting the proofs from Akshay. Akshay was in his hotel room where the lights start flickering, and he feels that there is someone in the room, and he thought that it was Kritika. On the other hand, Preeta got dressed like Kritika, and she remembered her plan with Kritika, in which she recorded Kritika's voice and also wore Kritika's clothes so that she can go and meet Akshay pretending to be Kritika and collect the evidence from Akshay. Preeta prays to the goddess to help her fulfill the tasks ahead of her, and Preeta, after covering her face with a dupatta, rings the bell of Akshay's hotel room, and Akshay immediately gets conscious and hides all the money that Prithvi bought for him earlier before standing to open the door. Kritika, sitting in the car, prays to God to help Preeta because if Akshay realizes that it is Preeta, then their plan will be ruined, and she once again prays that Preeta will be able to achieve her plan. Akshay opens the door and he was shocked to see that Kritika has covered her face, and he asks that what is the reason, and Preeta quickly plays the recording of Kritika's voice that was on the phone that Preeta was hiding behind her, and the voice asks Akshay to hand over the pictures and videos of Kritika's nude that was with him to her. Akshay questions why she covered her face, and Preeta said in Kritika's voice that it is because she doesn't want to be seen with Akshay, and Preeta questions Akshay, asking him to hand over the photo and the pen drive of the video to her, but Akshay says that he has changed his mind and he doesn't only want the money again, but he also wants to spend some time with Kritika. Hearing this from Akshay, Preeta slapped Akshay and she took everything she came there for, but as she was about to leave, Akshay pulled her dupatta and he was shocked to see that it was Preeta and not Kritika, and Akshay pushed Preeta on the bed, but Preeta doesn't let Akshay force himself on her, and Preeta hit Akshay's head with a wooden tray, asking if he forgot that he was with Preeta and not Kritika. Preeta gets up and took the pen drive and the photos, and as she was about to leave, she turned back and took Akshay's laptop with her as well, while Akshay remained unconscious on the floor. Mahira was with Karan at the restaurant, and Mahira finalized the order and started smiling, thinking that she is having lunch with Karan, and she prayed that Preeta would not come. Karan noticed Mahira's smile and he asked her that what is the reason, and Mahira responds that she is smiling because there was a time that she was about to get married to him, the Karan Luthra, who is loved by a lot of women, but yet Karan chose to marry Preeta, the girl with whom he always fights with. But now, Karan lost Preeta so much that Karan could not even look at another woman. Karan asks that what was the point of him loving Preeta since he is always disappointed because of Preeta, because Preeta doesn't care for him, and Preeta did not even come to the date that he organized for the two of them, and Mahira cunningly disagrees, explaining that she knows that Preeta actually cares for Karan a lot, and Karan was happy that he finally got his old friend back with whom he used to play with during his childhood. Karan and Mahira started talking about how Karan used to tease her on Oli, and Karan wants her to watch out for the next day, and Mahira asks if Karan remembers what Samir did to her on Oli, and they were about to discuss when Karan gets a call from Samir, and Karan feels that Samir is worried, but Samir explains that Mahesh has opened his eyes and he has come out of coma but he couldn't talk, and when they informed the doctor said that it is a sign of a miracle that is about to happen, so Karan should come back home immediately. Karan in excitement leaves to settle the bill at the restaurant, and Mahira immediately calls Shailene asking if what Samir said was true, and Shailene refused that it is indeed the truth, and she also just came to know about it, that Mahesh has opened his eyes but he cannot talk yet. And Shailene asks Mahira not to worry because Mahesh comes out of coma a lot of times and goes back to falling into coma again, so nothing to worry about. Mahira said that she got worried after Karan got the news, and Shailene asked if Mahira is with Karan and how was she able to keep Preeta away from Karan, and Mahira said that Preeta refused to come and meet Karan for the date, which is very weird, and Shailene gets scared knowing fully well that Preeta is up to something for not going on the date that Karan organized. Preeta comes running to Kritika, handing all the proofs that she snatched from Akshay to Kritika, and she said that she thought that Akshay might have some things in the laptop as well, and that was why she also brought his laptop, and now there's nothing to worry about. Kritika was happy and she started crying, and Preeta asked her not to waste any more time because they also have to change back into their dresses. Kritika puts the proofs on the car, then destroys the pen drive, and Preeta also advised her to destroy the photos as well, and Preeta brings the lighter and they destroy the pictures by burning it, and they were able to get into the car and leave. Preeta got to the hotel asking the waiter about Karan, and the waiter said that Karan has left after waiting for a lot of time, and Preeta leaves wondering that Karan might be really angry with her. Mahira was waiting for Karan, who comes with bruises on his hand, and Mahira asked that what has happened, and Karan said that he got into a fight with someone who was saying awful things about Kritika, and both Mahira and Karan left the restaurant to go home. In the Lutra house, Prithvi was in his room and he was angry because he has to pay a huge price for being in love with Preeta. Prithvi was walking in the hall and he was shocked to see the entire family in the hall, and as he was going, he bumped into Shailene and he asked that what is the occasion that everyone are gathered downstairs, and if they think that he would be getting married to Kritika in the middle of the night, then they are mistaken because he would not be doing his wedding in the night. Shailene tries to explain to Prithvi that it is something really different and it is more important than the wedding, and Pamichachi noticed Prithvi and Shailene standing together upstairs and she started staring at them, and Prithvi sees her, so he quickly comes downstairs to join the rest of the family to know what is really going on. Kritika also got back to the Lutra house and she enters, and Prithvi thinks that Kritika would surely come to seek for his help because he knows that Akshay would have made her life miserable and his plan is now fulfilled. Karan also enters with Mahira, and Raki asks Karan to talk to the doctor, and the doctor explained that it is a miracle that Mahesh is out of coma and he would send his professional team within half an hour, and the doctor turns to leave. Prithvi was shocked to hear that Mahesh is out of coma, and he rushed to stop the doctor, asking him how did this wrongful act happen, and he immediately clarifies that he meant to say that how did this miracle happen, and the doctor refused that it happened because someone gave Mahesh an injection that was not prescribed for him, and that caused the quick reaction that made Mahesh come out of coma, and the doctor leaves. Prithvi immediately looked towards Shailene, who added an injection into the saline water that was being passed on Mahesh's body earlier, and Shailene gets scared thinking that Mahira brought the injection, but now she would get blamed for the mistake. Mahira also got there and Prithvi started shouting at both Mahira and Shailene, asking why they gave Mahesh the injection that provoked him to wake up from coma. Shailene says that it is not her fault because Mahira brought the injection, and Mahira immediately asked them not to look at her as she was only following Prithvi's order, and Prithvi asked that when did he give Mahira the order to give Mahesh an injection, and Mahira reminded Prithvi of when Prithvi said that they should do something that would cause Mahesh to remain in coma forever, and that was why she brought the poisonous injection. Mahira continued by saying that it is not her fault, but Prithvi got angry and he immediately blames Mahira, who tries to reason with Prithvi at the end, Prithvi and Mahira got into an argument and Sherlyn tries to calm them down, but they both leave the place angrily, and Sherlyn thought in her mind that this is really bad for them because as a team, their trust bond is not strong enough, which is really not good, and Preeta always win every battle all alone without any serious effort. Everyone were happy in the living room for the good news of Mahesh's recovery, and everyone were hugging one another, but Karan refused to accept hug from Preeta and he went to his room angrily. Karan was in the room thinking of his plan to go on a date with Preeta, but yet Preeta did not come, and Preeta enters the room apologizing for not being able to come to the date, but Karan refused to listen to Preeta and he lies down on the bed. Preeta tries all her best to apologize to Karan, but Karan says that he is going to sleep in the other room, and Preeta holds Karan's hand, but Karan snatches his hand away, trying to leave the room. But Preeta locks the door and starts playing a song, and she forcefully dances with Karan, trying to calm him down. And Preeta's effort pays off because Karan finally pulls Preeta closer to himself, and they both danced together. Thank you so much guys for watching, and sorry that this video is a bit long, and please make sure you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. And I don't know why Kritika is still being adamant now that she knows that Akshay was not actually the right man for her, and Preeta is warning her against Prithvi now. She doesn't still want to listen. I just tire. I'll see you all again in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye guys.